Alright, 302, example 3. What are the steps for using a compass and straight edge to construct the bisector of angle G? So number 1, you place the point of the compass and draw an arc that intersects both sides of angle G. Label the points H and I. So I'm going to draw a little, show you what it looks like. So something like that, H and I. The second, you place the point of the compass on H and draw an arc in the interior of the angle. So the point's on H, swings out, and it makes an arc like this. And then without changing the opening of the compass, place the point of the compass on point I, draw another arc in the interior of the angle, like so. Label the intersection of the arc in the interior of the angle as point J. And it says use a straight edge to draw ray GJ. Oops, that's one, not a ray, sorry. Now I have a ray on here. There you are. Go right through there. I'm gonna move just a little bit. There we go. And we're going to make that where you can see it. And there is our ray. Gets right through J. There we go. Ah, I messed at the bottom.